Hello guys, welcome to Vajuverse. In this video, we are going to see about a hackathon that is being conducted by IIT Bombay. Okay, here after logging into this, after getting into this IIT Bombay website, you can see that national level open hardware IoT based geospatial hackathon. Okay, by clicking on that, you will be seeing the details of the hackathon that is being conducted. This is a national level open hardware IoT based geospatial hackathon. So national level okay, is organized by who are organizing this is IIT Bombay, funded through the National Mission on Education through ICT. Okay, and then Ministry of Education, Government of India. These are the funder. These are the funding organizations, and the IIT Bombay is organizing this in partnership with IIT Tirupati's Technological Innovation Hub. Okay, and these are also other partners, Department of Science and Technology, and then Rural Data Research and Analysis Lab, India's first HPC-powered data center dedicated for rural development, established in the Center of Technology Alternatives for Rural Areas. IIT Bombay is the technical partner. Okay. So what they are telling is this hackathon is more than a competition. It is a platform for Indian innovators, creates to come together and pioneer solutions for brighter future for mankind with unique IoT and GIS techniques. This hackathon aims to harness the power of free or libre open source software, open source hardware, IoT, geographic information system to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. This pan-India hackathon mandates the use of only Indian satellite data, okay, alignment of problem statements, theme, and study area based on Indian context, and at the least one SDG, Sustainable Development Goals. You can see what are Sustainable Development Goals, okay. Teams are also strongly advised to use or adopt indigenous Indian regional navigation satellite technologies like NavIC. The final output must comply with Indian National Geospatial Policy. So whatever you are going to obtain as the final output should be complying with this policy. Okay, you need to read this policy also. The winners or winning team of this coveted national level hackathon shall be eligible to apply for IIT Bombay FOSSEE-GIS summer fellowship or internship. Okay, the winners will get a chance to apply for summer internship or fellowship or case study or geospatial fellowship, etc. Apart from the prize amount. Along with the prize amount, you will have this opportunity also. Skill development corporations and entrepreneurship incubation facilities centers established by union and state governments across India can also collaborate with us as partners or send in their problem statements, which will be given to the participants to evolve GIS IoT based solutions. Okay. So to know more about the national, so what they are telling is to get into this website, to click on this link to know more about this hackathon. Okay. After clicking this, it is redirecting us to one more website where you can see all the sponsors over here, and then IoT Geospatial Hackathon. Okay, registration has been opened on April 29 and last date for registration is July 15, 2024. That is today. Okay. So since they have written tentative, they can change this also. They can increase the registration date. In case if you are seeing this today, please register today. Okay. Welcome to the open source significance. What is the importance of this? Okay. In the world where technology shapes our daily lives, the significance of this hackathon cannot be overstated. Here participants have the opportunity to redefine the boundaries of what possible. By merging open source principles with cutting edge technologies, we aim to solve the real world problems, tackle critical issues such as environmental sustainability, disaster management, and precision agriculture, and more. Your solutions can change lives and protect our planet. Okay. Foster innovation. Innovation thrives when knowledge is shared openly. By promoting open source hardware and IoT, we empower you to push the boundaries of creativity, discovery. Create collaborative communities. Through this hackathon, we build communities like-minded individuals passionate about making a difference. Together, we can achieve more than any one of us can alone. Okay. Empower future leaders. Whether you are a student, professional, or enthusiast, this hackathon is launchpad for your ideas. It is a chance to develop your skills, showcase your talents, and make your own mark on the world. So purpose, what is the purpose of this hackathon? The hackathon is more than just a competition. It is a platform for innovators. Okay, we have read this to come together. Our purpose is to harness the power of open source hardware, the Internet of Things, GIS to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. What they want to do is they want to use these open source resources to address some of the challenges. IIT Bombay promotes the free use of free or libre open source software in academia and industry. Project is funded through national mission. Okay, these are the fundings and these are the organizers. Problem statements. What are the statements that have been given? What are the problem statements that we need to address if you are going to participate in this? Design and implement a system utilizing IoT sensors to track traffic flow, congestion levels, and parking availability in urban environments. Integrate this data with GIS to provide real-time maps. Utilize IoT sensors and GIS for urban environment monitoring. Pinpointing pollution hotspots. Create an IoT precision agriculture solution using soil and crop data with GIS for optimized irrigation, planning and resource allocation, boosting agricultural productivity, sustainability. Create an integrated system utilizing IoT devices to monitor natural resources, natural disasters, merging IoT data with GIS to evaluate damage, identify vulnerable zones, and streamline rescue relief operations. So design and develop a IoT device using open hardware components such as Arduino or Raspberry Pi equipped with sensors to monitor environmental parameters like temperature, humidity, air quality, soil moisture. Integrate GPS module for geopolitical data. Create a GIS application to visualize and analyze collected data, allowing users to identify patterns and trends in environmental conditions over time and space. Develop an open hardware-based IoT for early detection and warning of natural disasters such as floods, landslides, or forest. Utilize sensors to monitor relative environmental parameters like water level, soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. Incorporate GPS for precision location tracking of potential disaster zones. Implement GIS technique to create hazard maps and establish risk zones, enabling timely evacuation and emergency response planning. Create an IoT solution using open hardware for monitoring wildlife habitats and tracking endangered species. Develop sensor nodes to collect data on wildlife movement, habitat conditions, and environmental factors. Integrate GPS module or accurate geospatial tracking of animals. Utilize GIS tools to analyze the collected data, identify critical habits, and plan conservation efforts effectively to protect endangered species and preserve biodiversity. Design an IoT-based system using open hardware components to optimize waste management process in urban areas. Develop sensors to monitor waste fields, waste levels in bins and containers across city. Implement GPS for location-based monitoring of waste collection routes. Utilize GIS techniques to create dynamic waste collection schedules. Optimize route planning and minimize operational cost while ensuring efficient waste disposal and recycling practices. See, if somebody has an idea to develop any of these, they can take any one of these problem statements and work on that statement and submit to this workshop. Okay. So these are some frequently asked questions. You can go through them. And if you have any questions beyond that, please let me know. I will reply back to you. Okay. So let us see how to register to this. Clicking on the register option, it is guiding you to a form where you can say that it is going to take your email ID. If you want, you can, okay, there is no option to change this. I think you can change here. If you want, you can change this email ID if you want. And then here there will be different categories provided. You can click according to you. If you are a student, faculty, or industry professional or government employee, you can select the category and click on the next option. Then you will be taken into the next phase of the Google form where you need to type your name, submit your gender, email address, phone number, college name, institute, college type, which type of college it is, whether engineering, pharmacy, or anything. And then which district it is located, pin code, state, and department. Please enter the name you are studying. And then here you need to enter the course that you are doing, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, or whatever it is, and year of study in which you are studying. Okay. And then if you click the submit button, it will be submitted. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please apply. Today is the last date according to this. Since they have written tentative, that means they can extend this also. But please apply if you want to apply, since there is no cost of application. Okay.